Hello everybody and welcome to Kiddos Koral. This is Heidi, and if you are new, welcome. I am starting off in the guest room today because I'm going to be moving some furniture around, I think. Guys, I'm going to turn this around so I can talk to you. Okay guys, you are seeing me. I think I'm moving here. I am in my guest room, and as you guys know, my house was built in 1906. And there are a lot of things that need to be done to this house. A lot of things. So if you are looking to watch a beautiful, gorgeous home being clean, you're not going to find that here. This is a real video. But anyways, I am in my guest room, and I am going to move my vanity in here and use this sort of as my dressing area. Now, I'm going to tell you guys something. I'm trying to keep this hand down so you guys don't see what I did to myself yesterday. Do you guys remember when I cut the tip of my pinky off not very long ago? Well, lo and behold, I cut my pointer finger yesterday. Not thrilled about it. It was quite painful yesterday. Very painful. I told my husband, I said, "No, listen, don't freak out, but I'm going to cry." But I'm okay. If I'm going to cry, you're going to hear me cry. I didn't cry, but I moaned a lot. It was very painful. It actually bled all evening long, and it's very tender and very sore, so I'm trying not to bump it. So I'm going to be very slow motion today. My honey went to the gym this morning, so he gets to go swimming while I work, and that's okay because sometimes I got to have a work day. I have been using, as you can tell here on my bed, been using this room here as a room to kind of sort my laundry. And that has got to stop. But anyways, yeah, I've been using this room to sort my laundry, and it's kind of housing some furniture pieces that belong to my in-laws that have not been moved yet, but will be. Everything is being sorted through, and honestly, this whole house is completely cleared out of their stuff except for 4 items. So a tiny safe that weighs 1,000,000 pounds. And I cannot carry it down the stairs. There's just no way. A tabletop, a TV, and a hope chest. I'm looking at it so I can remember what to say. So anyways, a hope chest. Those are the only items that need to be moved. So anyhow, I am going to move. Now, I'm going to tell you guys, the walls in here, there are a lot of cracks, there's a lot of dings, there's a lot of things that need to be fixed. And this old house. But our agenda right now, as far as the fixing upper part of things, is downstairs. Up here, we just want it organized, clean, and at some point in time, we'll get to the upstairs. Nobody ever comes up here but me and my honey. And if I have guests, it's usually my mom and dad, not anybody else. And so that's okay for now. It's okay. We will get to it, but I'm a one-woman show. And so we will get to it when we get to it. But right now, I just want to make the space livable for us. You know, just everything tidied and clean and organized. So today, what is on the agenda? I am going... on this wall right here, which is, there's the window. So right here, there's a plug on this one wall. That's one thing about having an older house. There is not a whole lot of plugs in the house. So when you move your furniture, you have to consider that in an older house. I'm going to put my vanity on this wall here so that I have more space in my bedroom. Before I move it in here, I want to move, I don't know if you guys can see, down here I have a big rug, and I want to move that, and I want to move these clothes, of course, and I want to shampoo in this area where I'm going to move my vanity. That way, this side of the room is already clean, and if I can get that moved today, I'm doing really good. So this may actually be a video that I might do over a couple days time. So we'll see what we get done. Okay, we'll see what we get done. My vanity is very packed and it is very heavy. It's antique and it is heavy, and I'm going to move it myself, but I'm going to take all the drawers out of it to move it, and I am going to not be picking it up to move it, but scooting it in here. So I think I can do it because I've moved it before. So guys, let's get to work, shall we? So I pulled up the white rug and I shook it, and as you can see, it's everywhere. And so I am going to run my vacuum over this floor really good before I shampoo, because it needs it. Hopefully I can figure out how to use the shampooer. Shampooed, vacuumed. I still see a little place right there in the camera anyways. But this carpet does have some little places on it, but that's okay. We're not focusing on that. We just want to get it clean. Oh my gosh, can I just say, carpet cleaner solution smells fantastic. But I didn't have any, so I'm using laundry detergent in this thing because I read online that you can. And my house smells like eucalyptus and mint right now. And it smells so good. Anyhow, it's very satisfying to me. Just got this all done in here. This is the carpet cleaner that my parents gave, and I couldn't figure out how to use it, and I had to find the manual online, so I finally got it together. So I'm going to show you guys the vanity I'm going to move. So this is the vanity that I am going to move. I've taken some of the drawers out already. I'm going to have to scoot this baby. I'm going to tell you guys, I found this on Facebook Marketplace. I love this. I sit in it every day. I do my face, I do my hair, and it is I'm always cleaning this off because this is where I live pretty much when I'm in my room. Sorry about the air unit, but it is super hot. So I'm going to try to drag this in there, and then we're going to clean out these doors and put it all back together. I pray I can move this. I really do. Because it is heavy. This is actually probably heavier than the bed I just moved. Okay, I had to take the chair out to take the vanity out. So this is where the vanity was. And guys, it was hard. I'm gonna go downstairs and get me something cold to drink and shut this door and let this run for about 10 minutes. Okay, I got the drawers brought in here. I've got everything. At some point in time, this stool that's underneath this here, I want to reupholster it. It needs to be done. I have already plugged in my my makeup mirror, and now I just got to figure out where these went to put them back in the vanity. And I'm moving slow because of my finger situation. I hate it. But that's just the way it is. Okay, but I love this. I can easily fit in here. Now, whenever it's all said and done, this bed is not going to stay here. This bed is actually going to go against the other wall, so I won't have it ram right smack, you know, at my back, always. But it's, let's see, this one here, the second one. To move my bench and stand up, put it in. It's really heavy. This is a very durable piece of furniture. I mean, it is heavy. I just moved this myself, but when I moved in here, it was moved in here by two really strong men. Okay, I got it. I must be plumb losing my mind. Okay. If you all see my finger, I apologize, but I cannot work without my hand. And I've been trying to hide it from you guys because I know that it looks very, very bad. And I probably look very, very bad right now. I need to vacuum, but I did pick up everything. It was over here on this side of the bed, and I found my earring that was missing. I'm so excited because my son bought me these earrings for Christmas, and he asked me specifically what it was that I wanted, and I said I wanted little tiny hoops, silver, to match my wedding ring, just to kind of have everyday jewelry. He made a special trip and bought those, and I lost one, and this is going straight into my jewelry box. I'm not losing this again. Okay, update on the room. Whew. Well, I want to be done by 3 o'clock. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 3:05 p.m.
3:05. I'm almost done in here. I got everything cleared out of here. The stuff here is Ronnie's, and I just have it there just temporarily until the floor dries completely. It's a little damp. It picks up most of it, but it's a little tiny damp, and it'll be dry by tonight. Got my bed made. Got my vanity. Those cups are going downstairs. I've got to run the shampooer over here, and all of this is all cleared out, so I can run the shampooer here, and I'll be done for today, other than what I gathered to take downstairs. So this room is tidy, and that is all that matters, is that it'll be nice and clean, and that makes me very, very happy. Okay, shampooer all ran. Room smells spectacular. It's such a good feeling, and think this room is going to be this clean when I come in here to go to bed tonight, and I'm looking forward to that. It smells fantastic, guys. Smells fantastic.